If you've heard of the IPL, you've heard of MS Dhoni. How did he become synonymous with the tournament? How did he turn cricket's biggest tournament into a game of who can stop Dhoni? Let's find out. Looking back, his dominance in the IPL seems inevitable. He instantly turned CSK into a perennial powerhouse that has never missed the playoffs, more than validating their decision in 2008 to buy him as the most expensive player sold at the first auction. After correctly identifying him as the mastermind who led a bunch of youngsters to India's surprising victory at the 2007 T20 World Cup, Chennai decided to go all in for my man Dhoni. And boy did it pay off immediately. A combination of world-class talent and his leadership has ensured that not a single season goes by without Chennai being considered as one of the frontrunners to win it all. Except for the 2 years that Chennai was banned for betting. But that's another video, we'll get to it later. Dhoni has been completely dominant in the IPL. A true leader behind the stumps, he has picked up the most dismissals as wicketkeeper. He's no slouch at the batting crease either. You combine his excellent strike rate, his knack of finishing games off, and the league's second highest batting average of 42, and you have a literal batting god, giving Dhoni an overall DH rating of 95. His most important skill is his captaincy and man management. Thala is CSK's identity. His winning strategy over the years has been to build his team around some key Chennai players, often adding promising Indian youngsters, several of whom have gone on to play for India.
Started from the bottom, now we're here. Started from the bottom, now my whole team fucking.
From 2008, when he reached the finals and lost to Rajasthan Royals, to 2020, when he's leading a COVID-ravaged squad to the bubble IPL in UAE, Dhoni has always been a title challenger. Losing in the semi-finals in 2009, Chennai would win the title in 2010 and 2011, after which they promptly went on to lose 3 finals in 4 years. Then came 2016. Chennai got banned and Dhoni was shipped off to Pune. He didn't stay silent though, and in 2017 he helped a team with 0 expectations and 2 captains to the final, losing the match by 1 run. Getting to the IPL final is sort of Dhoni's thing. He's always there, having done it 9 out of the 12 IPL seasons. After 2 years in Pune, it was time to go back home.
You won't find him here! The king has returned.
2018 was an emotional year for Dhoni and CSK. They were coming back home, and they did it in style, winning the 2018 final in a dramatic comeback for Chennai that nobody expected. He had an even better 2019, averaging 83 for the year, but it ended in heartbreak as he lost the final by 1 run for the second time in 3 years. Dhoni has been phenomenal over the last 2 years, producing some of the best performances of his entire career. He has scored 871 runs in the last 2 seasons at a mind-boggling average of 79. We don't know how long he'll play for. The way he's playing right now, he could continue playing for years. Whenever he decides to go, I'm sure there will always be a seat for Thala at Chepauk. If you liked the video, subscribe and hit the bell icon. If you didn't like the video, just subscribe.